Next, 53. A stone of 1 kg is tied to 1 meter long string and revolved in vertical circle with speed of 4 meters per second. Stone of mass 1 kg is tied to the string of length 1 meter, so it is radius of rotation, revolved in vertical circle with speed of 4 meters per second. The maximum tension will be how much? First of all, where is maximum tension? At bottom. So tension is max at bottom and its value is mv square upon r plus mg. M is 1, v is 4 square 16 upon 1, m is 1, g is 10, 16 plus 10 is 26 Newton. So 26 Newton at the highest point, option
Sir, at the lowest point, no?
at lowest point. It is sorry B. Done?
Yes, sir.
54. A 40 kg child sits on a swing supported by two chains, 3 meter long. A 40 kg child sits on a swing supported by two chains, 3 meter long. Two chains, 3 meter long. This is swing. So in this swing, a boy is sitting. It is supported by chain, which is 3 meter long. So 3 meter long, 3 meter long, a ball of mass 40 kg. If the tension in each chain at lowest point is 340, in each chain tension is 350 at lowest point. Tension is 350. So at lowest point, when he is performing motion, then his weight is acting downward and mv square upon r downward. So can I say at lowest point P plus T is becoming mv square upon r plus mg. So 2T is mv square upon r plus mg. 2 into 350 equals to m40 v square upon r is length of string 3 plus 40 into 10. So 700 minus 400 equals to 40 v square by 3. That means 300 equals to 40 by 3 v square. 900 upon 4 equal to v square. V equals to, hello, hello, hello. Yes sir.
Sir, 15.
50 ऑप्शन नहीं है ना किधर भी?
Sir, 15.
15 है क्या? ऑप्शन नहीं है ना किधर?
Sir, I got option A.
दिस इज
So option A.
हाँ हो गया, बराबर है, राइट है. Square root of 900 will be no. mv square upon r is 3, m is 40, v square, m is 40, g is 10, 400, 700 minus 400 is
Sir,
300.
900 upon 40.
हाँ 900 upon 40. हाँ सॉरी, ये 90 है, 90 हो गया. So this will be v square is root of 90 by 4. 90 by 4 is 4 into 22.5. Square root of 22.5 is slightly greater than 16. So 4.8, which is less than 5 and more than 4 is the required answer. Complete. Then we'll come to 54, 55. Shall I clear 54?
Yes, sir.
55. A frictionless track ABCDE ends in a circular loop of radius R, slides down the track from A, which is at height of 5 centimeter. Maximum value of R for the body to successfully complete the loop. Body is sliding down from a height and moving in a circular loop of radius R. What should be that radius so that it is completing the loop if height is given 5 centimeter? See, to complete the loop, velocity at bottom minimum should be root 5 gr. At the top, root of gr. In horizontal, root of 3 gr. So if I take the body position coming down to the bottom, then velocity acquired should be root 5 gr. If I compare with the top, then total fall will be h minus 2r. I'm taking at bottom so that there is no subtraction term. So loss in potential is gain in kinetic. Kinetic should become half m u square. Potential is mgh. Therefore, gh will be half of root of 5 r square. So gh is 5 by 2 gr. Gi can cancel. So minimum height should be 5 by 2 r. H is given. How many centimeter h given?
5.
So this formula you remember slides down from this height so that whatever they give either r or h you can directly get. So 5 equals to 5 by 2 r. Therefore r equals to 2 centimeter. R is 2 centimeter. Option B. Tasma, you are there? Yes, Aniket, Tasma is there?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, देखो आप लोग के लिए मैंने पेपर भेजा है चैप्टर नंबर 1 2 3 स्टेट बोर्ड का. हेलो
Yes, sir. Yes.
हाँ, तो टाइम मिला तो वो 3 पेपर खत्म कर देना. वो हो गया तो फिर मैं दूसरा पेपर भेजता हूँ 4 5 6 से, सो दैट
Okay,
बोर्ड का
sir.
भी पढ़ता. एक एक वीक लो चलेगा, लेकिन 1 अप्रैल से आप एवरी मंडे और संडे दे दो वो टेस्ट 12th वाला. $55 completed.
No, sir. 1 minute.
Complete it properly. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yesterday what you practiced?
Sir, yesterday I didn't practice much. I did. So I completed till 60.
60?
Yes.
Okay, okay, no problem.
Done, sir.
चलो सबका हो गया, क्लियर कर दो ये 55.
Yes, sir.
56. When a body moves along circle with constant speed, यानी कि UCM, I used to tell the answer. What will be work done on it? Is it 0?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is answer, because UCM means work done is 0 by that centripetal or centrifugal force. 57. A particle of mass m is moving in a circular path with constant speed, with constant radius r, such that centripetal acceleration AC is k square r t square, where k is constant. Then what is speed? This is v square by r is k square r t square. V square is k square r square t square. Therefore, v is k r t. This is the speed. K r t. Done. Hello? Shall I clear it off now again?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Number 58. A particle is tied to the string and revolved in vertical circle, where it can break at A or at B or at D or at C. Where it can break, chance of breaking. Where tension is maximum.
D.
नहीं, D पे.
D बोला.
D, हाँ. It will break. It can break where tension is maximum, that is bottom. Where tension is maximum, that is bottom, and here bottom name is D. Consider a body of mass m tied to the string rotating in horizontal circle. If at certain instant string is released, then body will fly where? Moving in horizontal circle at certain.
एवढे नोट्स काढले तर त्यांनी ना काय केलं एका बुक मध्ये 71 पेजेस
काय रोहन राहुल काय चालू आहे भाऊ?
असं त्याने 75 पेजेसचं केलं.
अरे पेजेस नंतर हे 59 संपलं बघ ना बाबा, काय करतोय?
150.
राहुल काय करतोय बाबा? हो राहुल, सम नंबर 58 ऐक की. Hello, it will be going tangentially outward. P. Has everybody followed? Tangentially outward.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Rahul, you have followed?
Yes, sir.
Are pages you are counting? Which pages you are counting?
No, sir, sorry.
Huh? Rahul. राहुल ऐकू येतो का?
Yes, sir.
अरे दोन दोन काम चालू आहे मला वाटतं. फिजिक्स आणि अजून काहीतरी पेजेस तुम्ही बेरीज करताय त्याचं. Concentrate on one. 59 done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 68. Consider a simple pendulum of length 1 meter its bob is performing circular motion in horizontal plane with bob is performing circular motion is conical simple pendulum. String making 60° with vertical. The period of rotation, that means T, is how much? I know time period of conical simple pendulum is 2 pi root L cos theta by G. Pi and root G you can cancel. 2 into 1 into cos 60. Cos 60 means half. So it is 2 upon root 2. That means root 2. Root 2 means 1.41. 1.41 not given. None of these. D is the option.
Done, sir.
61. In problem, if mass of bob is 50 gram, 50 gram is 5 into 50 into 10 raised to minus 3 kilogram, then tension in the string is how much? Tension in the string is how much? T cos theta is mg in conical pendulum. So tension into cos 60 is m50 into 10 raised to minus 3g. We can take approximately 10. So T into half is 5 into 10 raised to minus 1. So T is 10 into 10 raised to minus 1, 1 Newton. One Newton.
सर T is equal to mg cos theta नहीं लिख सकते?
नहीं ऐसा नहीं, कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं, ऐसा नहीं लिख सकते, लेकिन हमने प्रूफ कैसा किया है वो याद रहना पड़ेगा ना. ये ऐसा था ना mg, फिर ये t cos थीटा, ऐसा था ना उसका प्रूफ, क्योंकि ये हॉरिजॉन्टल चाहिए था ना हमको, इंक्लाइंड वाला नहीं ना.
ओके सर.
बॉडी ऐसा घूम रहा था ना, तो ये चाहिए था ना एक्सेंट्रीपिटल फोर्स, तो ऐसा वाला लिया था ना हमने. Done.
Yes, sir.
Now come to homework sheet. I think I went reverse in this homework sheet, correct?
Yes, sir.
So I had done 50, 49, 47, 46, 45, 44, 49, 41 भी किया था, 39, 38 also I did.
Till 30.
Till 34 we have done, I think. No, till 35 we did, correct?
Yes.
चलो अभी रिवर्स से जाता हूँ, so that whatever is left out, that is your homework. Next class I will start with synopsis of rotational motion. 34. A string is of length 1 meter, fixed at one end, carries a bob of 100 gram. 100 gram is revolved with 4 radian per second. Radian per second, and horizontal plane as shown in the figure. Then what is tension in the string. With omega, we can connect time period. Yes.
Yes.
So can I say time period 2 pi by omega is 2 pi root of L cos theta upon G? That means omega equals to G upon L cos theta in root. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So 4 equals to G upon 1 into cos theta in root. Therefore 16 equals to G upon cos theta. So cos theta is G by 16, equation 1. Tension T cos theta is mg. T into G upon 16 is mg. G cancel. T is 16m. 16m is 16 into 10 raised to minus 1 kg, 1.6 Newton. Any doubt? Yes, Aryan?
No, sir, got it.
Done, sir.
Next one. 33. A body in an accelerated circular motion describes 15 pi radian. So theta is 15 pi radian in fourth second. T is fourth second. So distance covered in nth second wala type hai ye. And 24 pi radian in seventh second. Find what is initial angular velocity. What is formula for distance covered during nth second from motion in 1D? Is it u plus half a 2n minus 1? याद है क्या ये वाला फॉर्मूला किसको? Distance covered during nth second of motion in kinematical.
Yes, sir.
U plus याद है क्या? डिराइव करो.
Yeah, yes, sir.
U plus half 2n minus n. U plus नहीं
Sir, half A.
half a. So theta in nth second will be omega 1 plus half alpha into 2n minus 1 by comparison. So first case 15th pi is omega 1 plus half alpha into 2 into 4 minus 1. So it is 15 pi is omega 1 it minus 1 plus 7 upon 2 alpha. 7 upon 2 alpha. So 30 pi will become 2 omega 1 plus 7 alpha, equation 1. Second is 24 pi is omega 1 plus half alpha 2 into 24 minus 1. Sorry, 7 second. So 24 pi is omega 1 plus half alpha, 14 minus 1, 13. So 48 pi equals to 2 omega 1 plus 13 alpha. That will be equation 2. Now I will just subtract so that omega will get vanished and alpha will get obtained. Alpha I will put here. Till this copy. Yes, Ananya, any doubt? Hello, Ananya?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. What is latest mark that you got in your class exam?
Sir, there was a full portion, like complete full portion,
Mm-hmm.
all 30 chapters, and I got 108.
108 you got, but before that you got 116, I think. No?
But that was a half portion, only 11 chapters.
So this you got 108.
Yeah.
You have to send me that paper if you have, and we will
Yes, sir.
sit and discuss all other sums.
Yes, sir. Because I actually wasn't able to finish the portion in time for it, so I only focused on a few chapters.
No, see, at this moment, you can't revise and go. You can
Yeah.
only go with whatever you retain.
Yeah.
But end may definitely increases because many times you will do full length test now.
Yeah. Yeah.
So you just send the paper, then after the lecture, wait when you can debate 1.5 hour, or I will discuss in our class only.
Okay, sir.
Complete now 33.
Done, sir.
If I subtract 2 from 1, 30 pi minus 48 pi is how many pi? Minus 18 pi? Hello? See, 30 pi equals to 2 omega 1 plus 7 alpha. If I subtract 48 pi with this, then we get, after subtracting minus 18 pi, this will get cancelled, equals to minus 6 alpha. Okay, so 3 pi equal to alpha. Now from 1, 30 pi equals to 2 omega 1 plus 7 into 3 pi. So this is 21. 30 minus 21 is 9 pi equals to 2 omega 1. So omega 1 is 4.5 pi. है क्या option? 4.5 pi है option? Yes, option A. Ankita,
Yes, sir.
understood?
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Everybody has completed this sum? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Sum number now 32. ARAT represents centripetal and tangential acceleration respectively. Motion of the particle is uniformly circular only if. See, for circular motion, A radial is must or not to change the direction. This is
Yes.
must. Now AT is present for non-uniform circular motion. For non-uniform circular motion. For UCM, AT is 0. That means AR is never equal to 0. But AT can be 0 in uniform circular motion. Correct now? So can I say option C?
Yes, sir.
Motion of the particle in uniform circular motion. Radial is not 0, but tangential is 0. Write properly.
Done, sir.
Sum number 31. A particle of mass m is revolving in uniform horizontal circle of radius r if centripetal force is k upon r square, then what is total energy of particle? Total energy means kinetic energy. So in centripetal force formula is mv square by r is k upon r square. 1 r cancel. Multiply half on both sides. Half mv square means energy by which it is revolving. So k upon 2r is the required answer. Option A. Ananya, how many hours you are doing self-study?
So, in the day,
In one day?
like all subjects or only physics?
No, overall.
Overall, 8 to 9 hours, like throughout.
नहीं, बराबर 8 to 9, 9 to 10 is perfect.
But it's difficult to keep
No,
concentration.
no problem. ठीक है, आप काम बराबर कर रहे हैं. So we have to just apply some trick to increase the mark.
Yes, sir.
Aniket, you are studying how many? 15 hours?
No, sir, not 15.
Then at least 12?
No, sir, 8.
8? थोड़ा 2 घंटा ट्राई करो और बढ़ाने के लिए.
Okay, sir.
बिकॉज ऑनलाइन का वो एडवांटेज है ना, वो ट्रैवलिंग टाइम को कन्वर्ट कर दो ना इसमें स्टडीज में.
Yes.
पबजी तो नहीं खेलते ना?
No, sir, it's banned.
अरे नहीं, एक बच्चा है वो पबजी कहाँ से डाउनलोड करके खेलता है.
प्लस में खेलता है सर तब.
हाँ,
No, sir.
कौन 10 में खेलता है बहुत?
No, sir, I don't.
10 में डोंट प्ले. आफ्टर द एग्जाम विल प्ले नो टुगेदर काउंटर स्ट्राइक.
No, sir. My PUBG is banned in my house.
But see, ban is so many things are banned, no, but people do know.
Yeah, sir.
But you think in your mind it is banned for you now. After exam,
Yeah.
हम लोग 4-5 जन मिलके वो काउंटर स्ट्राइक खेलेंगे, है ना?
Okay, sir.
हाँ। यश कौन सा खेलता है? प्ले स्टेशन? यश कौन सा गेम आपको अच्छा लगता है?
सर नहीं सर, ऐसा अभी तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ था।
कोई भी खेल लेते हो एक आध बार? मतलब कुछ ऐसा फेवरेट है तो मैं भी इसको खेलता हूँ ना वही। PS4 है क्या आपका?
नहीं सर,
फिर PS2?
नहीं सर, है ही नहीं।
अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक है। 30. Horizontal platform is uniform circular motion with angular. हेलो जेनिफर, क्या जेनिफर? हेलो जेनिफर, जेनिफर got disconnected. 30th. A horizontal, हाँ हाँ, okay. Circular motion with angular velocity of 40 pi radian per second. An object of mass 10 kg is at distance of 0.5 meter from the center of platform remains in equilibrium. Remains in equilibrium means net force is zero. The distance at which mass of 20 kg will remain in equilibrium on the platform will be. ये मास m1 0.5 पे इक्विलिब्रियम में है, then mass m2 which is 20 kg will be at equilibrium at what distance? So this is rotating platform on which suppose one mass m is placed, it is thrown outward by centrifugal force and prevented by frictional force. So I can say at equilibrium m omega square r is same as mu mg. That means throughout this mass will get cancelled both sides. So I can say omega 1 r1 square is omega 2 square r2 square. So can I say first of all it is independent of mass? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So if speed is same, तो जो पहला r1 है वही बाद में भी r2 रहेगा. So equilibrium does not depends upon mass, it is independent of mass. It depends upon speed by which it is revolved. So answer is same, 0.5 irrespective of the mass. 0.5.
Done, sir.
29. In accelerated circular motion, angular displacement, that is theta, in pth second is given by. So theta in pth second is omega 1 angular initial velocity plus half of alpha 2p minus 1. Half of alpha, that is same as omega 1 plus alpha 2p upon 2 minus 1 by 2. That is omega 1 plus alpha p minus half, which is nothing but A option. Twenty-eighth. The ratio of angular speed of spinning of Earth and our sand. Spinning to our sand. What is time period of Earth's spinning? 24 hours? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And our sand is 12 hours? So 12 upon 24, 1 by 2. 1:2, option B.
Done, sir.
27th. A body of mass m is revolving in vertical circular motion of radius r. Difference in the kinetic energy at the bottom and at the top. What is difference of tension at bottom and top?
6 mg.
6 mg, correct. They want difference in kinetic energy. Can I say that is same as difference in potential energy? है ना, kinetic का change, हाँ. So this is mgh from bottom to top. What is h? Is it 2r?
Yes.
So mg2r is the answer. That is 2 mgr. Option B. 2 mgr.
Done, sir.
6th. If a graph is plotted on rotating wheel between angular velocity and the distance x from the center, then graph is what? And distance x, then graph. This is rotating wheel. If this wheel rotates with omega, then all the particles are rotating with same speed, or particles are rotating with different omega? Hello?
All are rotating with same.
So can I say here omega is constant? That is y equals to constant wala graph ho gaya na? So it is straight line parallel to x-axis. Straight line parallel to distance x-axis, that is option B. When y is constant, then parallel to x-axis. अगर v और x का ग्राफ होता ना, v is r omega, तो v would be proportional to r, ऐसा ग्राफ आता था, where omega is slope which is constant.
Done, sir.
A body of mass 500 gram is rotating in vertical circle of radius 1 meter. What is the difference between kinetic energy at top and bottom? So difference in kinetic energy in top and bottom. Can anybody tell in vertical circle what is difference in kinetic energy? Can I say mg2r? Hello, can I say mg2r?
Yes, sir.
So 2 times m500 into 10 raised to minus 3, g is 10, r is 1. So 500 into 2 is 1000, will get cancelled. 10 joule. 10 joule.
9.8.
हाँ वो 9.8 हुई है, मैंने 10 ले लिया, वो लोग ने 9.8 लिया है, तो 9.8. Important is don't deal with velocity, deal with height, because change we want, na, it will be easier.
Done, sir.
24. To describe a vertical circle of radius 20 centimeter, the minimum speed of the particle at the lowest point is 10. u1 equals to 10 meter per second at lowest point. If the radius of circle is reduced to 1/4 of the original value, 1/4 of r1, then what is minimum speed required? Minimum speed is root of 5 gr. So u1 upon u2 will be root of r1 by r2. 10 upon u2 is 20 upon r1 upon 1/4 r1. Therefore 10 upon u2 is 2 by 1. Therefore u2 will be 5 meter per second. Okay,
Yes, sir.
स्पीड सेंटीमीटर में दिया है.
Done, sir.
Come to 23 now. A particle of mass m is rotated in vertical circle by means of string. The difference of tension at bottom and the top. Can you answer? How many mg is the difference?
6 mg.
6 mg. Yes. 6 mg, option D. Whatever may be the case, difference will not remain, will not change. 22. A cyclist goes around circular path of circumference, that is 2 pi r equals to 34.3. So r will become 34.3 upon 2 pi. In time root 22 second, that means it is time period. The angle made by the cyclist with the vertical. So angle made by this cyclist with the vertical will be, first of all, his weight is acting downward and normal reaction will be perpendicular to him if he is making angle theta with the vertical. So this will become n cos theta and this will become n sin theta. मतलब ये अपना एंगल ऑफ बैंकिंग वाला ही केस हो गया ना. So tan theta is v square upon rg. But because they have given time period, so I can get omega. V I am writing r omega. So r square omega square upon r. This will get cancelled. Now r is 34.3 upon 2 pi is 22 by 7. Omega means 2 pi by time period ka square. So 2 pi by root 22 ka square into g, 9.8. So this will become 34.3 2 into pi 22 by 7. This is 2 into 22 by 7 do bar because it is square, and divide by root 22 is 22 only into 1 upon 9.8. Please copy this much. पूरा खिचड़ी लग रहा है, थोड़ी देर के बाद फिर कर लेंगे. 22 by 7 cancel. This 22 cancel. ये 2 cancel. इतना करो. 34.3 into 2 upon 7 into 1 upon 9.8. 2 into 3 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6 upon 7 8s are 56, 63 and 5 68, 1. So theta is 45 degrees.
Done, sir.
21. The angle of banking of railway track is given by theta equal to sine inverse of 1 by 16. That means sine theta equals to 1 by 16. If it is meter gauge train, see, meter gauge train means distance between track is 1 meter. This distance between track is 1 meter. That is called meter gauge train. Then the elevation of outer edge above the linear rail is how much? H we have to find. This is theta. So we can say sine theta is h by L. So 1 by 16 is h by 1. H equal to 1 by 16 meter. All answers are given in centimeter. So 100 upon 16 centimeter. 4 into 416, this is 25. 6.25 centimeter. Option B. 6.25 centimeter.
Done, sir.
Yes. The circumference of the circular track is 1.256 kilometer. That means 2 pi r is 1.256 into 10 raised to plus 3 meter. Okay. What is the tangent of the angle? Tan theta is how much? If the maximum speed at which car can driven safely through it is 20 meter per second and g equals to 10. Will you try this on your own?
Sir, option D.
Option
D.
E. Shayad. Others try? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
See, 18 4 is 72. This will become 25.72. So that means it is like 2.572 into 10 upon 1.256 into 100. एक जीरो कैंसल, ये डबल होएगा, मतलब 1/5 is my answer. D option correct. Everybody has understood now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 19th one. A particle moves along circle of radius 20 upon 5 meters. Shall I clear this?
Yes, sir.
This is also many times asked some. 19. A particle moves along circle of radius 20 upon 5 meter with constant tangential acceleration. 80 is constant, मतलब ये नॉन यूसीएम है, 80 है इसलिए नॉन यूसीएम. If the velocity of the particle is 40 meter per second at the end of second revolution. So theta is second revolution means 2 into 2 pi radian at the end of second revolution. After the revolution has begun, after revolution begins means starting is 0. So can I connect this? This is nothing but V means omega 2. Omega 2 square is omega 1 square plus 2 alpha theta. Hello? Can I write this?
Yes, sir.
Omega 2 is nothing but V by R, because V is velocity at the end of 2 seconds. So omega is V by R. This is 0 plus 2. Alpha is 80 upon radius R and theta is 4 pi radian. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Now V is 40, R is 20 upon pi the whole square equals to, this will be 8 pi upon R 20 upon pi into 80. So if I open this bracket, it is 40 into 40 upon 20 pi also 2 times equals to 8 pi 80 upon 20 upon pi. 20 upon pi cancel for the दोनों sides. This is 20 into 2. Then I take this up. 2 pi into 40 upon 8 pi equals to 80. Pi cancel, 8 into 5. 80 is 10. 10 meter per second square. Option B. Very important sum. One who has not followed, please ask. Anybody who has not followed?
Done, sir.
So that's all for tomorrow. Today, 1 to 18 you do on your own, then we'll discuss the answers.